Guys, it's Source Lover 667, and I just got back from Walmart and got some new Schleich. I got my first cats coming in a pair, and I already have their names. This one is the grooming cat. I named him Calico. And then this stretching nail cat. This is Oreo. So Calico and Oreo. And I'm really excited to have them because the photo shoots with them will be really cool. And then also, I'm going to get another cat that's at Walmart. I just didn't get it this time. So yeah, I really like them. I actually recommend them. They're really cool. Like, the positions are awesome. Especially this one. Me scratching, yeah. Anyway. Oh no. The pea just fell off. It's Ironwood Stables. Okay. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.